Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in J classes. Today we will discuss about differentiation. This is indirect topic of class 11th physics. This is not mentioned in NCERT book, but we utilize this topic in different type of calculation in numerical of physics. So now we will discuss about differentiation. Before we derive definition, derivative of a function. What is derivative? The differential coefficient or derivative of variable y with respect to variable x is defined as the instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x. It is denoted by dy by dx. It means when y is the function of x, then derivative of the y dy by dx. This is the derivative of the y and we can say differentiation of y. So here we discuss about some basic fundamental formulae of differentiation. First formula, if c is some constant, then derivative of c is equal to 0. It means when c is a constant, any constant, then differentiation of the constant always become 0. Example, let us consider c is equal to pi square. You can guess the pi is variable or constant because value of pi is 3.14. It means this is constant. So derivative of the pi square is also 0. Same dy by dx another constant ले सकते हैं 3 is also 0. Next d by dx e base to power 3. What is e? Exponential function, and this is also a constant because value of exponential constant is fixed and its cube also fixed. Then derivative of this constant also 0. Next formula, if y is equal to cx, so where c is a constant, when derivative of dy by dx, then value of y is cx. This is not when, means then. Then first constant c into dx by dx is equal to c. For example, y is equal to 3x, then dy by dx is equal to 3. But y is equal to 3x square. What is the answer of this question? For this question, we explain next formula. Y is equal to x power n, where n is a real number. Then dy by dx, the value of power become in multiply of the term and decreases, power decreases by once. So in previous question, y is equal to 3x square. This implies d upon dx 3x square. First we use previous formula, then 3 dx square by dx is equal to 3 into, here power of the x is 2, then n is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, then answer become 3 into 2 x. So 3 into 2 6x. This is your answer. You can practice the So question for practice, y is equal to 6x power 4 and y is equal to x minus q. Next question, if y is equal to u plus minus v, where u and v are the function of x, then dy by dx is equal to du upon dx plus minus dv by dx. For example, y is equal to 3x power 4 plus x square. So here this is u and this is v. Okay, so according this formula, dy by dx d upon dx 3x power 4 plus d by dx x square. Using previous relations in this equation, dy by dx, here 3 into power of x is here 4 and decreases by 1, then 3 plus in this term power of x is 2, then decreases by 1 is become 1. So answer of this question 12x cube plus 2x. Next, some trigonometric functions. Y is equal to sine x, then differentiation of sine always cos x. But for example, y is equal to sine x square. So in this case, d by dx sine x square, not sine square x, but sine x square. So first we write the derivative for sine, it means cos x square into differentiation of the angle. Then what is the differentiation of x square? 2x cos x square. Second example, y is equal to sine square x. Here square of the sine, not angle, but in this term square only for angle, not sine. Then second example, d by dx sine square x. Then utilize square law. So it means first we differentiate the power, and power become in multiply and decreases by 1, then sine x into differentiation of sine x. And answer is 2 sine x cos x. But this is also another relation in trigonometry. Then we can write sine 2x. Next formula, if y is equal to cos x, then differentiation of cos x is always minus sine x. Then your homework for this formula, y is equal to cos x square and another y is equal to cos square x. Next, if y is equal to 10x, then differentiation of 10x always secant square x. This is important. If y is equal to log e base x, then dy by dx always 1 by x. It means differentiation of log ex is always become 1 by x. Next, if y is equal to e base power x, then differentiation of same. It means no any changes in this term. आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि when we derive e base to power 3, then differentiation of this term is 0. But here power x, where x is variable, not constant, but in this situation power is constant. For same value, given power of 2 is 3, then answer become 8. It means constant, but power of 2 is x. This is variable. Why? Because we don't know about value of x. This e is the exponential function. Okay. Next topic, conditions for maxima or minima. So if y is equal to function of x, then the maximum or minimum value of y for a value of x. It means for which value of x the y become maximum or minimum. So then first differential coefficient of y with respect to x should be 0. It means dy by dx is equal to 0. Find the value of x from here. So using this relation, and we calculate the value of x. Now second, find the second derivative. It means first result of first differentiation. And again you differentiation the result of first differentiation is called second derivative of y with respect to x. So such that we can write d2y by dx square and put the value of x. If the value of d2y by dx square is negative, then y is maximum for given value of x. And if the value of d2y by dx square is positive, then y is minimum for given value of x. It means y is equal to x power 5. So first derivative dy by dx is equal to 5x power 4, and second derivative means again differentiation of this term. So this is second derivative. Okay, d by dx into dy by dx is equal to d by dx 5x base to power 4. Then value of second derivative is 20x power 3. This is known as second derivative. Okay, we use these conditions for class 12th and class 11th numericals for minima and maxima. Thank you.